fry dumpling. Cook up some pear avocado. Pear slash avocado. Milo tea. Yeah. Guys, we got some fried rice here. I know I didn't show you guys from start to finish. I should have. But you know, it's simple. We had some jerk chicken in the fridge already. That we bought from the jerk guy, and we had some white rice in the fridge. We just cut up some vegetable, you know, egg, and we make some jerk chicken fried rice, you know. So this is it right here, and trust me guys, this is delicious. That's what I'm telling you guys. Jerk chicken fried rice, homemade. Ain't nothing like this. Better than the Chinese spot. Yup, I said it. I said it. Yeah, man. That's right. They don't have this at the Chinese store. Jerk chicken fried rice. Can't get that. Yeah.